Hi kay Ate Mayu mo ko. Hi kay Catherine Joy. Ayan po. Hi Jong. Thank you. Ayan po. Available to. Ngayon, yung ating Hikaru. Hikaru po yan. Kapatid ni... Joke lang. Sorry po. Wala po. Ayan. Ayan po. Sobrang mura po nito guys. I-check out nyo na po yung ating item. Ayan, ito yung ating Hikaru Dagatic Steel ring. Ang ganda niya guys, sobrang cute. Available po yan, sobrang mura. I-check out nyo na yan. Ang ganda ng quality, ang kapal. And the details is grabe. Ayan, i-check out nyo man. Sobrang ganda ng details niya guys. Ayan. Ayan, available po. Ayan. Hi kay Hazel, thank you so much po. Ayan guys, ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-check out for tonight. Sa mga bumili, I definitely appreciate you guys. Sa mga nag-follow po ng ating account, thank you so much. Sa mga nag-check out, salamat po. Maraming salamat kay TikTok Shop Philippines, kay Renalyn, at sa lahat po ng mga nanood at nag-gift for today at mga bumili po ngayon. Thank you for supporting this live, guys. I'm really hoping na I can still do this live next time. And sana ako pa din yung live seller nila next time. Maraming salamat po. And by the way, maraming salamat for trusting my account. And thank you so much TikTok Shop Philippines at maraming salamat sa Kaito Crafted for trusting me with their brand. Thank you so much po. And again, my name is Brix Galliano. I will see you soon, all of you guys. And thank you so much for letting me do this live and having you with me. Thank you po. I love you guys and I will have to end this live po. I'll see you soon and have a great night. Last 1 minute pala. Ayan. Ayan. Hi kay Jeric. 1 minute daw. Thank you po kay Jong. Thank you so much po. Ayan. Hi kay Sarah. Hi Katrina. Thank you po. I love you, Dad. I love you too. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Ayan. Uy, nag-check out na ba kayo? Make sure lang po na nakapag-check out kayo for today, ha? Hi kay Nanay Gloria. Maraming salamat kay Renalyn. Ang ganda kaya ng mga items natin. Thank you so much. Ito yung ano, Ryu. Serpent. Ay, hindi. Here. Hi kay Liang. Thank you po. Joe Edits. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all so much. Ayan. Hi kay Mayu mo ko. Hi Sizay. Ang pretty niyan. Totoo, sobrang pretty. Ayan o. Yan, i-check out nyo na yan. Hi Katrina, thank you po. I love you too. Ayan guys, actually isang buyer na lang, okay na tayo eh. Last one buyer po. Anyone? Anyone? Any two? Any three? Last one buyer po. Thank you so much. Ayun, nakapin na to. Hi kay Gloria. Ako. Thank you, Mamo. Mamo, please, I'm gonna wait for you, ha? Or is there anyone else? Ay, hindi siya mag-check out. Is there anyone po? Thank you po. I love you guys. I love you too. Last one buyer. Hi, Roslyn! Ayan, thank you so much po sa lahat po, hindi pa pumasok. Thank you po. Guys, maraming salamat. I love you, Dada. I love you too. Guys, I'll see you soon. All of you, hopefully personally. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Wait daw, sabi ni Tops. Ba't ngayon ka lang dumating, Tops? Tops. Ayan. Tops, you like this? Love you, Da. I love you too. Wait daw, sabi ni Mamo. Bye, Da. Uy, ingat kayo lagi. Kinakain. No, hindi po. Hi, Ate Ging. Ayan, thank you po. May hahabol pa ba before we end this live? Hello po, may hahabol pa po ba? Hi kay Roslyn. Hi. Ate Roslyn. Guys, huwag nyo i-cancel yung orders nyo, ha? Mamo, pumansel, pumansel? Umorder ka na. I-process mo na yung order mo, please. Ha? Eat ka na later, Da. Yes, I have to eat na. Kasi ang kinain ko pa lang yung binigay sa akin kanina. Thank you so much po. I'm really hungry na din eh. And mag-check out na po kayo guys. Available po yan sa ating yellow basket. Thank you so much. Ayan, maraming salamat po. I love you too guys. Hi Jong, thank you po. Ayan, so i-check out nyo na po yan. Maraming salamat. I love you Dada, I love you too. Wait ka namin Dada. Kakain tayo ng sabay-sabay. I love you Dada, I love you too. Ayan po, sobrang available to. May hahabol pa ba? May humahabol pa ba? May humahabol pa ba? Okay na po tayo. Thank you so much, Tops. I miss you guys. I love you, Tops. I miss you. Hi kay NGC. Okay na, wala nang hahabol. Okay na, okay na. Sure na. Okay na. Okay na. Promise? Okay na tayo ha. Okay na po? Ayan. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat po for trusting me on this live. I will end the live na po. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much and have a wonderful night po. I'll see you. Good night. Wait niyo ako. Sige mamaya.